Hello everyone. Today we are doing the question answer of your chapter, My Good Right Hand poem that has to be done in completed done in with its explanation in our previous video, and in this video we have to be do the question answers, and I am orally dictate here all the answers, so you have to be note down the answers in your notebooks. The first question is, what is the meaning of the word south? Its correct answer is try to find. B आंसर जो है इसका वो करेक्ट होगा. लेट देम गो, द वर्ड दैम हेयर रिफर्स टू. यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि लेट देम गो, उन्हें जाने दीजिए. तो यहाँ पे जो दैम है उन्हें है वो किसे रिफ़र कर रहा है, तो इट्स इज फ्रेंड. वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को जो है कभी जाने के लिए बोल रहा है. तो कम टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ 30 to 40 वर्ड्स. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डिड पोएट फेल इनटू ग्रीफ. कवि जो है वो ग्रीफ दुख में क्यों गिर जाता है या दुख की स्थिति में क्यों पहुंच जाता है. तो आंसर है द पोएट फेल इनटू ग्रीफ बिकॉज ऑफ हिज पॉवर्टी. हिज सोरोज डिपेंड when all his fair weather friends deserted him all alone. He could not find even a single friend who could help him out of his poverty. Now the second question, why did the poet search for a friend proves a fruitless. कवि की जो एक अच्छा मित्र ढूंढने की तलाश थी वो क्यों निष्फल हो जाती है, उसे कोई अच्छा फ्रेंड क्यों नहीं मिलता है. इट प्रूव्ड आंसर है इसका, इट प्रूव फ्रूटलेस बिकॉज ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स वर फेयर वेदर फ्रेंड्स. ही सर्च for such a friend who could help him come out of his poverty, but none of them was willing to help him. यानी कोई भी उसका फ्रेंड जो है वो उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए आगे नहीं आता है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ द फ्रेंड दैट कुड हेल्प एंड मेक द पोएट हैप्पी. वह कौन सा मित्र है जो कवि की सहायता कर सकता था और उसे प्रसन्न कर सकता था. तो आंसर है द पोएट सेज दैट वट एवर हैपन्स, कि कुछ भी हो जाए, देर इज़ अ फ्रेंड हु विल हेल्प हिम एंड मेक हिम हैप्पी. द फ्रेंड इज़ गॉड एंड the hard work to be done by the poet himself. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, वाई डिड द पोएट फील डिसअपॉइंटेड. कवि जो है वो निराश क्यों हो जाता है. द पोएट वॉज डीप सॉरो ड्यू टू हिज पोवर्टी. सीइंग हिम इन मिजरेबल कंडीशन ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स डिजर्टेड हिम एंड ही लुक्ड फॉर अ ट्रू फ्रेंड हु कुड हेल्प हिम आउट बट ही फेल्ड, सो ही फेल्ट डिसअपॉइंटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ, what was the result of the poet's hard work. The answer is the result of poet's hard work was that he came out of his sorrow and pain which was due to his poverty. He got good food and clothes. Now he became rich. He learned to be self-dependent. Now come to the questions of in 60 words we have to be. First question, how did the poet overcome his sadness. कवि जो है वो अपनी sadness से, अपने दुख से बाहर कैसे निकलता है. The poet was extremely sad due to his poverty. He searched for to find a true friend who could help him came out of his poverty. When he tried to fail, he stopped thinking about his friends. He gathered courage in himself. He decided firmly to believe in God and his own hard work. Thus, by working hard, he overcome his sadness. His hard work proved his true friend. The next question is, why does the poet not need a friend anymore. कवि को अब और मित्रों की आवश्यकता क्यों नहीं थी. When the poet was in very much trouble due to his poverty, all his friends deserted him all alone. Nobody helped him. He was disappointed. Then he gathered courage. He decided to believe in God and his own hard work. Due to his hard work, soon he became rich. Now those friends started coming back to him, but the poet does not need those friends anymore. इट मीन्स कि उसे आप ऐसे मित्रों की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस में, व्हाट इंस्पिरेशन डू वी गेट फ्रॉम द पोएम. इस कविता से हमें जो है क्या इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है. तो इससे हमें इंस्पिरेशन जो है वो हमारे अबाउट द पोएट के अंदर दी हुई है, जो कि हम यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. This तरह से the poet inspired us to believe in God and in our hard work. The poem Courage to Hard Work, it also teach us to stay away from the fair weather friends. A true friend is one who firmly stands with us in our bad times. We can overcome from our sorrows just by working hard. So the poet did. Our hard work is our true friend. What will near desert us. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फोर्थ वन इज़, व्हाट डज द गुड राइट हैंड रिप्रेजेंट. ये किस चीज़ को व्यक्त करता है. द गुड माई गुड राइट हैंड रिप्रेजेंट द पोएट्स ओन हार्ड वर्क एंड हिज सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. ड्यूरिंग द पोएट एडवर्सिटी ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स लेफ्ट हिम ऑल अलोन. नो बडी हेल्प हिम. देन ही रियलाइज दैट ही विल बी बिलीव इन ओनली गॉड एंड हिज हार्ड वर्क, and in happens so he overcome his sorrow and pain due to his good right hand. The next fifth question is, which are the two things that the poet puts his trust in? Explain. ऐसी कौन सी दो चीज़ें हैं जिनमें कवि अपना विश्वास व्यक्त करता है? First one is God and the second one is hard work. The two things that the poet puts in his true trust in are God and his own hard work. When the poet was in distress, he sought help from his friends, but it went in vain. He realized that trusting other people is like building a castle on sand. Then he decided to trust only good things, God and his own hard work. So here our chapter is completed. Thank you so much.